Hey, welcome to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe and share for more videos. Let's start our today's video. The amount of times you wash your face may be less important than how the job is done. No matter your skin type, texture, or current condition, Haley stresses that a nighttime cleansing routine is especially important. Removing makeup, dirt, and grime from the day will help prepare the skin for your skincare regimen, as well as support the skin in its overnight regeneration and renewal processes. Ready for a clean start? Follow these face washing steps from dermatologists. Number 1. Properly remove all your makeup first. Use a gentle makeup remover to get the job done before you start actually cleansing, especially before bed. Pores are used to purging out toxins overnight, and if they're clogged, everything will be backed up and look congested, says Haley. FYI, this applies to all skin types, even if you've got quite the resilient outer layer. 2. Don't use harsh bar soap to clean your face. Unless they're specially formulated for the face, bar soaps can alter the pH balance of the skin, which allows for more bacteria and yeast growth. No surprise. Facial cleansers, especially cleansing balms, are made for delicate skin. There's a tendency for people to look for foaming ones because they think if it doesn't foam, it's not cleansing. But foaming can actually strip your skin of more natural oils, says Erin Milius, a board-certified dermatologist. 3. Use lukewarm water. Let's dispel a myth. Pores aren't doors. Hot water doesn't open them, and cold water doesn't shut them. Be gentle when exfoliating. Scrubbing can strip the skin of its natural protective barrier. The best way to clean skin is with your fingertips, gently massaging for at least a minute or two. 4. Give micellar water a shot. Micellar water is water containing micelle molecules that attach to makeup and debris and break it down. 5. Skip unnecessary tools. Studies show the amount of bacteria that builds up on loofah sponges is proof that these may not be a great idea, unless you are meticulous about constantly cleaning them in a bleach solution. 6. Remember your neck and jaw. Your jawline and neck are prone to dirt and debris buildup. And they need love, too. 7. Pat dry with a soft towel. Time to rethink that air dry. Leaving water dripping on your face doesn't hydrate it. In fact, when the water evaporates, it could lead to dryness. 8. Don't wash your face too often. 9. Use the recommended amount. If you're wondering why your cleanser isn't working as promised or as praised, check how much you're using. 10. Finish with a toner. 11. Remember to moisturize. In addition to toning, make sure you're helping your skin stay moisturized. Please subscribe our channel for more videos.